Today I'm working on some legs for this tabletop, and seeing as my shop is filled with offcuts and lumber of several dimensions, I decided to make what I needed, rather than just buy the fitting pieces. And as a test, I've already finished one. First off, I had to group the pieces, figuring out what worked best together. Then, whilst still making sure everything's oversized, I began planing them down to get a nice flat surface for the glue up. While planing, a minor issue occurred. I bought this shop vac last year, and this was the first time emptying it. Can you tell? Anyway, back to the planing. Here, the rough cuts are all ready for the glue up. The boards that make up one half of one of the legs were glued and screwed just to help with alignment. And after the glue had set, it was time for cutting them into size and adding some minor details. The dimensions are just shy of 7 centimeters, to 2.75 inches wide, and 35 centimeters, 13.7 inches long. As the mounting side on the tabletop is angled at 45 degrees to the legs, I had to cut a suitable fit. And as I was going, I thought it would look even better with a 45-degree chamfer on the outside edges as well. Chamfering the feet here of the legs just to help avoid any minor tear out that might occur over time. Cleanup, so much easier in the videos. The mounting holes were rather big, and I only had 4 screws with heads that would overhang the holes. But with some washers, the other screws worked out well, and the legs are all very sturdy.